Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to play Left 4 Dead 2 split screen PC. So guys, in order for you to do this is first things first, launch the application, and then after that guys, go to the split screen tab. And after you go to the split screen tab, guys, you're gonna go for extras. And then once you click extras, you're gonna have an option add ons. And then once you are on the ads on, guys, make sure to go to browse workshop. And then after you browse a workshop, guys, you're gonna go search for SFK Teams custom menu split screen. And then after that, guys, once you have searched this, you're just gonna go click subscribe and it will automatically add on your ads on. And then after that, guys, make sure to go to the settings and go for keyboard and mouse. And make sure, guys, to allow the developer console and make sure it is enabled. And then after that, guys, when you click split screen, you will now be able to play split screen on a PC. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.